What if I told you that the difference between the rich and the broke isn't luck? It's a series of choices that anyone can make, starting today. Most people dream of wealth, but they never take the first step because they think it's impossible without a big salary or inheritance. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't built overnight, but the right strategies can change your future, even if you have $0 in your bank account right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a proven 15-step roadmap to financial success. And if you skip any of these steps, you might stay stuck exactly where you are. So make sure you watch till the end, because step number 15 is what separates the wealthy from the struggling. And trust me, most people never figure it out. Hit the subscribe button now, because every week I drop videos that make your wallet smarter. Let's dive in. Step 1. Reprogram your money mindset. Your brain is either building your wealth or keeping you broke. And most people don't even realize it. Think about this. If you were handed $1 million today, would you keep it, grow it, or lose it all in a year? Studies show that 70% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years. Why? Because they never built the mindset to manage wealth. Here's the shift. Stop saying I can't afford it. Start asking, how can I afford it? Your brain will find the answers if you train it to. Rich people don't think money is evil. They know money is a tool for freedom, impact, and security. The moment you control your thoughts about money, you start controlling your financial future. And that's just the beginning. Step 2. Master the skill of income generation. One income stream is a trap. What happens if you lose your job tomorrow? The average millionaire has 7 streams of income, but most people have just one and wonder why they struggle. Start by asking, what skills can I monetize right now? Because skills, not savings, create wealth. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or content creation, you have options. And with the internet, your customer base is now the entire planet. Even if you start with $0, you can trade skills for money. Then use that money to build assets that work for you. Don't wait for permission to make more money. The economy rewards those who create value, so start creating. Step 3. The secret to saving more without feeling broke. Most people fail at saving because they think it's about sacrifice. It's not. It's about strategy. Here's the golden rule. Save before you spend, not after. If you wait until the end of the month to save, chances are there's nothing left. Automate your savings. Set up an auto transfer so you never have to think about it. Even if you can only save $5 today, it's a win, because building the habit is more important than the amount. Wealth isn't built by earning more, it's built by keeping more. And the faster you master this, the richer you'll become. Step 4. Stop wasting money on invisible expenses. If you feel like your money disappears every month, that's because it does, but not in the way you think. It's not the big expenses that keep you broke. It's the silent money leaks you don't notice. A $5 daily coffee? That's $1,800 a year. A $20 impulse buy every week? That's over $1,000 gone. Audit your spending for the last 30 days. You'll be shocked at how much money is escaping. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cut unnecessary fees. And watch how fast your bank account grows. The rich don't just make money, they protect it. And now, so will you. Step 5. Pay yourself first. The golden rule of wealth. Here's why most people stay broke. They pay everyone else first, except themselves. Their landlord gets paid, the grocery store gets paid, Netflix gets paid. But their savings? Left with scraps. Flip the script. The first bill you pay every month? Your own future. Set up an auto transfer to your savings before you pay anyone else. Even if it's just $50, it adds up faster than you think. Imagine if you had saved 10% of every dollar you ever earned. How much money would you have right now? The secret to wealth isn't what you make, it's what you keep. Step 6. Increase your income, because saving alone won't make you rich. You can't save your way to wealth on a low income. You need to earn more, period. There's a limit to how much you can cut, but no limit to how much you can earn. Learn high-income skills, sales, coding, digital marketing. These skills make companies millions, and they'll pay you well. Side hustles aren't just extra cash. They're your escape plan. Start freelancing, sell a service, build a business. Even an extra $500 a month can change your life, because that money, it buys freedom. Your income is your most powerful wealth-building tool. Make sure you're using it right. Step 7. Destroy debt, the silent wealth killer. Debt is like a hole in your pocket. No matter how much money you make, it leaks away. Credit card debt, car loans, student loans, each one steals from your future. The average American pays $1,000 in interest every year. Imagine if that money was invested instead. List your debts from smallest to largest. Attack the smallest first, then move up. Debt freedom isn't just about money, it's about control. And once you're free, your money works for you, not the bank. The rich don't pay interest, they earn it. It's time to switch sides. Step 8. Invest early, the money multiplier. Wealth isn't built by working harder, it's built by making your money work for you. Let's talk about compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world. The sooner you invest, the more you earn. Investing $100 per month at age 20, you'll have over $600,000 by retirement. Starting at 40, you'll have less than $150,000. Time matters more than how much you invest, because compound interest does the heavy lifting. You don't need thousands to start. Even $10 a week puts you ahead of 90% of people. If your money isn't growing, you're already falling behind. Step 9. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. 78% of workers live paycheck to paycheck, and one emergency can wipe them out. The problem isn't just low income, it's no financial buffer. You need a safety net before you can build wealth. Start with a $1,000 emergency fund. This protects you from going into debt when life happens. Then, build 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, so if you lose your job, you're still in control. Financial security isn't just about numbers, it's about peace of mind. You work too hard to stay one paycheck away from disaster. Fix this now and thank yourself later. Step 10. Avoid lifestyle inflation, the silent trap. The moment most people make more money, they immediately spend more. New job? Time for a better car. Got a raise? Let's upgrade that apartment. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's why most high earners are still broke. Instead, lock in your spending and invest the extra income. Your future self will thank you. Wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about actually being rich. The smartest people increase their income, but keep living like they're broke. Step 11. Learn to negotiate, because every dollar counts. The fastest way to grow your wealth? Make more while spending less. Negotiation isn't just for job offers. It works for bills, rent, even subscriptions. Most companies expect you to ask for a better deal, but most people never do. A 5-minute phone call can save you thousands. Ask for discounts, lower your rates, cut hidden fees. If you never negotiate, you're leaving money on the table, and that's money that could be building your future. Rich people negotiate everything, and now so will you. Step 12. Build a strong credit score, your financial reputation. Your credit score is like your financial trust score, and it can save or cost you thousands. A high score means lower interest rates, better loans, and more financial freedom. A low score? Expensive debt and fewer opportunities. Never miss payments. Keep your credit utilization low, and don't close old accounts. A poor credit score can cost you an extra $100,000 in interest over a lifetime. Imagine investing that instead. It takes time to build, but the effort is worth it, because a strong credit score means more options, more savings, and more power. The rich play the credit game to win, and now so will you. Step 13. Own assets, not just stuff. The difference between the rich and the broke buy liabilities, the rich buy assets. Cars, designer clothes, and the latest gadgets. They lose value the second you buy them, but real estate, stocks, and businesses, they grow in value and make you money. Before you buy anything, ask yourself, will this make me richer or just make me look rich? Build a life where your assets pay for your luxuries, not the other way around. The goal? Own things that pay you while you sleep. Step 14. Surround yourself with the right people. Your environment is shaping your wealth right now. Who you spend time with is who you become. Hang around 5 broke people. You'll be the 6th. But if you surround yourself with ambitious, smart, money-savvy people, you'll level up, automatically. Join communities where money and success are normal, because conversations shape your beliefs. If your circle isn't growing, neither are you. It's time to upgrade. Wealth is contagious. Make sure you're catching it. Step 15. Play the long game. the ultimate wealth secret. Most people fail because they expect overnight success, but real wealth is built over time. The stock market rewards patience. Businesses take years to scale. Even the richest people in the world took decades to get there. So why do you think you'll be rich in a month? The key is consistency. Small daily actions create massive results over time. Wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, and the ones who stay in the game the longest win the biggest. Start today, stay patient, and don't quit. Your future self is waiting. You now have the 15-step roadmap to wealth, but information alone isn't enough. Action is everything. Pick one step and start today, because waiting another year means wasting another year. Most people will watch this and do nothing. The winners, they execute. Which step are you starting with? Comment below, I want to hear your game plan. And if you found value in this, subscribe now, because this is just the beginning of your wealth journey. The only question is, are you ready to build the life you actually deserve?